Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to add RAM to your computer with a jump drive, and I'm not going to take mine out, but because I'm using virtual RAM right now. So first off, you want to do is you want to get a jump drive, plug it in to one that you don't use barely, rename it RAM drive, capital RAM drive, open it, clear it, make sure there's no hidden files in there. And after you do that, you can exit out, go to Start menu, My Computer, go to Properties, go to Hardware, Advanced, Performance, Settings, go to Advanced again, Change, and yours should say recommended for something, and if it says that, you do that for both. So mine is 1483, gotta do that for both. 1483, hit OK. Okay. Then you want to start your computer. Yeah, I can't restart my computer right now, but I will let you do it, and it should add RAM. And here are the rules about it: never ever take out that jump drive, or your computer will crash. You should feel a big difference in performance. It might not work, I'm not 100% sure. It will not break, I know that. Unless you do something wrong. Then you rewatch this and comment below what's wrong. And this is virtual RAM. Some things require physical RAM. And yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This was how to add virtual RAM to your computer, not physical RAM. And don't forget to subscribe and like. And thanks for watching.